Yeah, welcome to another tutorial with Rexsolomon Kluze Edit. I want to talk about screen recording apps. Now, why do I want to talk about this? I think there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube. So why am I really talking about screen recording app today? It's because of the simple ideology that most of these screen recording apps on YouTube, they are not really that intense like the kind of tutorial I want to do today. I have 4 screen recording apps and why I chose them to be the best you can go for. Though one of them is free, which is the one you are seeing right now. So let's dive in. So let's go to the setting. I'm not here to tell you about OBS. Everybody knows about OBS. Let's go to the settings. So the settings of this OBS are easy for streaming different application. You can see different websites. Get it for streaming, very superb. In fact, I'll say this is the best for streaming, but I'm not going for streaming. I'm going for recording to record my screen. So let's go to a general. So you set it to the preferred language you want, then you scroll down, you just set all this, but I did not say all these things are default. I did not set anything here. So I just came down to appearance. Okay, I still did not set anything here. Streaming, like I said, I'm not using it for streaming, so I did not do anything there. So the output, I moved my output from simple view, this is the simple view, to advanced view. Now, advanced will give you more configuration. Now, if you look simple view, there is streaming, recording, and replay buffer. You see, and it's very basic, as you can see, it's very basic. Now, when you go to advanced, you see others here. You see the way they outline them. Yeah, so you can do your settings here. So me, I am going for now. If you look at, let's go to recording. Now I'm running a standard setting, the type. So I'm outputting. You have to create this. If not, to just post this thing in your video folder here. So you have to create the OBS folder and save it. So you see, OBS, it has saved so that you can easily find your this thing. So me, I am going for move, but anyone here is good. MP4 move. So why I'm going for .mov is because as a video guy, when I searched online, MOV they say is good for effect. Like if you want to run effects on a video or you want to edit a video, it's a good container for a video. So I went for this. MP4 is still good. So my video encoding, I just went to quick sync 8.264. Yeah, so the audio is not really my problem because this video, as I'm talking to you now, I'm recording externally, so it's not really my problem. But you can go for, okay, this is a 32-bit flow. Wow, OBS. I think OBS is the only one that has 32-bit flow audio. Yes. Wow, very wonderful, very impressive. Yeah, so you can do a mono or a stereo or how many amount of audio track you want. It's good. So this is the scaling option. I just pick it to the best, 36 sampling. Then this 1080. That's you choose the highest resolution. Just come here and choose the highest resolution. My screen is 1080, which is full HD. So if your screen is 4K, just come here and pick 4K. So this one I did not set anything there. Then let's come down to the coding settings. So here is the most important thing, the bitrate. Now I used a constant bitrate. This is CBR, a constant bitrate. This is VBR, variable. This is a variable bitrate. That it will vary like a drop frame. I don't know. I think video guys will understand what I'm saying. A drop frame. I'm going for my targeting to the highest, best quality. So just go there. So we have done setting this. So if you want to use your system, your OBS to edit audio too, just like I told you, I'm not using this audio, I'm using Asana audio. So just come here, Then you can set your bit rate of your audio to the highest. You can get a quality sound. So how many tracks? If you choose the number of tracks that plays, you can, toggle this to how many tracks you want. Yeah, so this one I did not set anything here. I just left it like that. So the next option you are coming is the audio, which the sample rate, like I said, if you are using this audio, pick the highest one. Anything you are doing, pick the highest one for the best quality. You understand? Yeah, so this one is my system microphone. Let's just go for default. If you have, I did not set all this, so you can go for medium, you can go for slow. Sometimes slow seems to be the best, sometimes they are not, but it's fine. This is auxiliary. This is auxiliary audio. This is where you see your microphone. Look at it. I said it. This is where you see your microphone. This is auxiliary here now. So let's go down to the video. Video, just, you see the highest resolution 1080. So this one too 1080. Then what else? What's this? Okay, this one will not allow you to set. Then here now, this is the common frames per second value. You understand? So just pick this one, frames per second. So you can come and choose the highest. I came here, I choose the highest. So we are done. These hotkeys, the shortcuts. You can set your shortcuts. Then advanced. I have not activated this. I did not set anything here. I just left everything there. Standard white level. Rexsolomon, the color space, definitely. Color range, limited, full. Okay, cool. Let's go for full. What's this? You say color format, 8 bits. You can go for the highest, this thing, which is, this is the color format. So now there's a warning down here that says high precision formats are mostly commonly used in the HDR color space. You don't really need all this. You don't really need this. Just go back to the native one, the first one. It's okay. You don't really need that because you still run your color grading and all those things. Just leave it like that. So the next thing is to press apply and OK. Now, if you do this, you can start recording. You can start recording. So for this tutorial, I will not record, or better still, let me record and show you. And one more thing I want to say. Let's add a display. Let's disable this display. See, I've disabled this display. Let's add another display. Now add. Okay, let me add it inside of this scene. Add. Then add a display. A display is what shows your what's it called? Your screen. So display capture to, no problem. Okay. Format. So I tend to choose automatic for the system to it should just do its calculation, frame it for you. So let me come here and select this and click OK. You see it has come up. So this is the settings for the OBS. Yeah, so you have to take note of this. This is OBS. So let's continue our tutorial. I'm done with the OBS, or let me just record. So we are recording something. Now, where you will know a good screen recorder is from the text it is recording. The text, how sharp is the text? Because it will be the major thing you are going for, the text. So that's it. Let me stop recording. This is one of my previous videos. As you can see, this text is not that clear. Yeah, so I did this video before I noticed it and I later set the thing. So this setting I gave you, just follow my settings to get a good quality. Now see the video I just recorded now. You see the text here, very, very sharp, unlike the other one. Very, very sharp. So that is it. So you see it, very, very sharp. So this is for OBS.